Now, we have some inside details on the subject expert committee meeting currently underway on Covaxin. Sources tell us that India is now looking forward for another vaccine, the second one, possibly of Bharat Biotech. Bharat Biotech has now completed its presentation for Covaxin within the vaccine panel committee meeting, which is currently underway. This is the inside detail that we get here. Covaxin has just completed its presentation. Milan Sharma joining us live for more details. Milan, is it likely that Covaxin developed by Bharat Biotech could be the second vaccine that would be approved for India to be rolled out in January? We understand that they are in the third phase of trial. What more do we know as they complete presentation before the expert committee?
Well, Nabila, hectic deliberations are on whether Bharat Biotech's Covaxin could also be another contender after the Covishield that has been given caveat approval by the Drug Controller General. And certainly the SEC panel there is currently deliberating on these issues. But what we know right now is Bharat Biotech had made its presentation. The presentation has concluded, and there are other deliberations that are also taking place as the meeting continues. This time the meeting started at about 1:30 in the afternoon and still going on. And certainly it looks like there are some questions that are being raised on the approval for Bharat Biotech, because the trials of Bharat Biotech are taking time and they have not concluded. In fact, not even half of the candidates in phase 3 have been vaccinated yet. So the results of phase 3 will take a lot of time. But certainly, we have the results of the interim phase 1-2 from Bharat Biotech that have shown that the person vaccinated after 2 shots is also showing an efficacy of about 3 months immunity. And that is something that is there in the interim data. But however, we cannot say whether or not one will show an immunity after a jab. What will happen more than 3 months now, because the trial has not been concluded yet. So that is one big question on the SEC panel's mind, and that is why the deliberation continues. There are other candidates as well, Nabila. It's not just Covishield and Bharat Biotech, but there's Zydus Cadila also that's being discussed. We also know from sources that Sputnik V is also being deliberated on in the meeting, and we'll have to wait and see once the meeting conclude what shall come out of this. Is it possible that Bharat Biotech may in fact be given a caveat approval just like they have gone ahead for Covishield? We'll know soon.
Very much, but do stay with us, Milan. We have a lot more questions coming up. Of course, many of them wondering, when are they going to get the vaccine? Is it going to be free or not? How soon will they get it? Will they be eligible in the first round? All those questions answered in this special. Now, with Covishield vaccine getting emergency approval, the focus is, of course, on ensuring logistics.